Okay, knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers means what? Knowing about numbers, which all numbers we have, which all types of numbers we have. We have whole numbers we have natural numbers we have, and the real numbers. Yes, we all studied about that all things. And the number is the main and the major part in our life. Without numbers we can't do anything. Yes, we all know that. In the decade years ago, they are using only a small digit numbers like 1, 2, 3. That is enough for them. But now we want too much numbers. Yes, we want all the numbers. We want thousands. We want hundreds. We want lakh and 10 lakh crores. Now the lakhs also don't have value. The crores have too much of value. We use that much bigger amount now. So we have to know about numbers now. More about numbers. How the numbers work and how the numbers will. We have to check the numbers and how to compare them. These all things we'll study today. Okay, children, in the previous class we studied these all things. Interesting things we all studied. Yes, okay. In the previous class, I told you about what is the whole numbers. Yes, what is the whole numbers then? Whole numbers means which all numbers we can count. Yes, which all numbers we can count. That all numbers are called as a whole numbers. Yes, which all numbers we can count then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till endless. Yes, these all are called as a whole numbers. We all know that. Real numbers means or natural numbers. Natural numbers means which all numbers are there naturally, like 0 also. It includes 0 also. That all numbers are called as a natural numbers. Yes, even numbers and odd numbers, that is a too simple thing. Even means which all can be divided by 2, and odd means which cannot be divided by what? 2. Yes, you all are 8th standard students. You all did these all things in the every year. In the each class, teachers will teach this only first. Basic. Yes. Now you are grown up children. Don't make teachers to repeat that only. Okay. Okay. We'll study to the next topic. Okay. Open your book, children. All of you have your books now. Yes, you all have a books now. Okay. Open your book. Okay, first, which grade you all are, children? 6th standard you all are. Yes, which subject is this? Mathematics. Mathematics. Okay, sorry I told you that time 8th standard. Okay, you all are 6th standard students now. Okay, okay, 6th standard students you all are. Every year we studied about numbers. Yes, okay, we'll begin with our chapter now. Okay. Open the page number 2, children. Last year we studied about comparing the numbers. Yes, I told you how to compare the numbers. If we have so many numbers, for example, I have example. If I have 92, I have 392, 4, 4, 5, 6, and one more is 8, 9, 7, 4, 2. Which is the biggest in this? Which is the greatest number in this? You all can easily identify this because you all know the numbers. You all know the numbers now? Anyone don't know the numbers? 1, 2, 3, yarikar gottilla? No, all of you know the numbers. Yes, we'll check it. 92. 92 is bigger or a 392 is bigger? 392 is a bigger. Next, compare with the next number. 392 is a bigger or a 4456 is a bigger? 4400 is a bigger. Next, we'll move on to the next number. 4459 is bigger or 89,742 is a bigger. 89,742 is a bigger number. So this number is the greatest number. Okay, like this, if I got a greatest number here, I got what number? I got greatest number. Now tell me which is the smallest number. Easily we can identify 92 is the smallest number, children. 92 is a smallest number. What we are doing here? We are comparing the numbers. Which number is the greatest and which number is the smallest? We are just comparing the numbers. Yes? We are what we are doing here, children? We are just comparing the numbers. Simple theory. Simple theory. We are just comparing the numbers. Understood how to compare the numbers? We have to check the, if it is a 10 digit number, check with a what? Check with a 10 digit. If we are using 100, check with a hundreds place. If we are 1000, check with a thousands place. If a 10,000, check with a 10,000s place. Only we are checking the places of our numbers. Then we can compare the numbers. Okay. Like this, if we have one more simple example, I will tell you. Comparing the numbers. For comparing the numbers. For comparing the numbers. Like all the digit will be 4 digit only. Like if we have all the different numbers will be 4 digit only. For example, if I have 4000, yes, next number is 4400, next one 4436 and 4410. Okay, what we'll do? All the numbers will be 4 digit only. Yes, all the numbers will be what? 4 digit numbers. In this we are comparing. It will be little difficult. Why children? Why tell me it will be difficult? Because all the digits will be what? 4 only. All the digits will be what? 4 only. So what we have to do? First we have to check with what? 1000 place. See, 1000 place 4. Here also 1000 place 4. Here also 1000 place 4. Here also 1000 place 4. So leave the 1000 place now. We will move on to the hundreds place. Here hundreds place 0 is there. Here hundreds place is 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. So now we'll start comparing the numbers. Okay, 4000 is smaller than 4400, 400. Yes, this is a smaller number. So this is a bigger number. Then again compare this with this. 4400 and 4436. Which is the biggest here? Here hundreds place also same. Thousands also same. Now we have to check with what? 10 digit number. So 36. Here we have a 36. Here we have a 0. So this is the bigger. In this role, bigger one. Is bigger. Yes. Again, next we have to compare with this. 4410, 4436. Here also we have 2000 place also same, 100 place also same. We have to check with what? 10's place. Here we have 36, here we have 10. So which is the bigger here? 36 is the bigger. So checking all the 4 numbers, different type of 4 numbers. This is the greatest 4 digit number. Greatest number. Yes. And now tell me which is the smaller now. Which is the smaller? This 000 is the smaller. Smallest. Understood children? When we have all the numbers will be 4 digit or 3 digits and checking and the comparing the numbers, the simple thing is first we have to see the first digit numbers. If it's all numbers are the same, then move on to the next number. If that also same, move on to the next number. If that also same, move on to the last number. That will be worry. Then easily we can what? We can check the numbers. Understood? We have to see the place of the digit. In which place it is, and that place is a biggest or a smallest. Understood? How to compare the number, children? Okay, we'll move on to the next topic. First what we did here, we just compared the number. We just what? Compared the number. Which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number. For example, comparing the numbers, I will tell you an example. When in your exam board, if your friend got 592, if you got 582, you start comparing. Marks 82, 10 marks we start comparing. What we are doing? We start comparing because 582 is lesser than 592. How that? We start comparing ourselves. That is called as a comparing the numbers. In all our life, in our society, we compare ourselves with others. In all cases, not only in numbers, we compare this. The compare word will come in all the cases. Not only in numbers, I am telling. In our life also, we use compare word. Yes. Okay. Okay. We'll move on to the next topic. Next topic is how many numbers can you make? How many numbers can you make means if we have 2 numbers. If I have not 2 numbers, if I have one number. 5835. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬಹುದು? How many numbers can we make it from this? What we have to do here? Interplace of a numbers. Interplace of a number. Place change ಮಾಡೋದು. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಕಾವ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, if this is a 4 digit numbers, I will make a change in this. Okay? I will make a change in this. Okay. 8 place na first ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ, 7 place second ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ, 5 place ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ, 3. Yes, I did a change here. This number only. The numbers will not repeat. The numbers will not repeat, children. The numbers will be only one time only, but I am changing the place. I am just changing the place. You can change by like this also. 5, 3, 8, 7. And we can change one more time also. 3, 5, 7, 8. Yes, 4 times we can change the numbers. Yes, but in your chapter they are changing one time. Okay. Now, when we change the number, which is the greatest in these two? This is the greatest, na? I am interchanging the number. But after interchanging, we got this is the greatest number and this is the smaller number. This is the greatest number after interchanging. Here also we can check which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number in this. This is the greatest number and this is the. We are just interchanging the numbers. We are just place change ಮಾಡಾತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು. ಈಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಜಗದಾಗ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, in like that we are playing with the numbers here also. We are just playing the numbers. The one type number ಐತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದ್ರ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ it will be changed its value only. So tell me 7835. A change ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 8000, it becomes 8000 when I change the place. It is a smaller number, 7835. It's there. When I change the numbers, when I interchange the number, it totally changes value only. It becomes 8000. 7000 it ಏನಾತ? 8000. Why it become? We interchange the places. We interchange the what? Places. Yes, understood how to interchange the place? Okay. In this your book, page number 3, they given so many examples and they told you to do that. Try it once. Okay, we'll try one. Okay, first one. Use the given digits without repetition. The number will not be repeat. It will not repeat. The number one time it is that one time ಬರಬೇಕು. Repeat ಆದಾಗು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? Replace ಆದಾಗು. Okay. If for example they given 2874. Okay, 4 digit number. Adena 4 digit number, it cannot be repeated. So tell me children, after replacing the value, how much we get? 7. I'm changing 7 place first. I'm taking 8 place second, 4 place third, 2 place. Yes, I'm not repeating one value. All repeat agilla nodri. Ella value idu 4 digit banditi, idu 4 digit aiti. I'm not repeating the numbers. Children, please concentrate that. I'm not repeating the numbers. I'm just replacing the numbers. Okay. Now tell me, this can be read as 2874 and this will be read as 7842. Which is the biggest amount now? This is the biggest amount. This is the greatest number. After replacing the numbers, this number will be greatest number and this number will be smallest number. Understood how to replace the number? It will be too interesting, children. It will be too interesting. Yes, just we are playing with the numbers. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಆಟ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 4 ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ಅವನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅದ್ಲ ಬದ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆನೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಎಸ್. Okay children, we'll study the next part in the next class. revise these all things and try this. Is there now? Please try it once. Okay. Bye children.